finally got these mounted up. These are the ones made last week. We drilled 12 holes, put 12 bolts in, put some rubber behind them so they wouldn't beat the crap. The chains would beat the crap out of the bed here. This is a brand new trailer, so here's the pigtail ray wired up. You see, it's mucho longer than it was. I think originally it only came out to about here, I think, maybe?
Yeah, it's a good 3-4 foot longer.
Yeah.
It barely reached the vehicle. You turn a corner and it pulled out.
Much better. That should serve them well. So, we're going to call this one a success. I believe tomorrow we start wiring on a Jeep. I don't know if we'll be able to get footage of that, to be honest with you.
Highly doubtful, but...
We might. Yeah, and it's just simple stuff, wiring up a light bar, winch, a couple of pod lights, stuff like that, and a little controller. So, that should be a fun little project. Should only take us a day or two. So anyway, but we figured just show you this. This is what we were yammering about last week.
Chain, binder in this front pocket.
Yep. And I said, once again, rubber backed. I don't know about anyone else, but I can't stand to listen to chains rattle against stuff all day. That drives me out of my tree.
No. It's worse when it's on the rollback, just kind of right there against the headache rack.
Yeah.
A foot behind your head, that's annoying.
Yes. But anyway, just figured we show you this right quick. We're going to head out to the, well, I'm going to head out and deliver this thing and then find some calories. So, we're going to give you a quick update.
It's Wednesday.
So we got the Jeep done yesterday. We didn't take any video of it. Just, it took, I think, 4 or 5 hours to knock out what we had to knock out. No big deal. We breezed through it and hung out. So, just because we're a glutton for punishment, we went and got a trailer today. So all we're doing to this one is going to get D-ring. We're putting on D-rings that we forgot to go get.
Yep.
And we're putting a two spare tire mounts on this thing up on the front. That's about it for this one. It should be a short, simple ordeal. It'll be done tomorrow at the latest, I think.
Yeah.
So I think we're just going to cut some steel and hi-ya on this thing. Alright, so we went ahead and prepped the trailer in all 4 places. We're going to weld. So we're going to put these 15,000 pound D-rings on here. Just line them up something like that. 3 layers of weld, both sides. And then we'll do the tire mount, which Ray's here now. He's still got to drill the holes in it. But while he's doing that, I weld. This one's a 14-inch rod for a 3-inch weld. Same length of weld, only about half a stick. Mainly because you're fighting gravity. You're trying to push it up in there and it's wanting to come back down, so you got to run more layers doing it this way. Alright, so our next step is we got to burn studs in. Show you. We're going to burn these in right along here. It doesn't matter. You got about 11 1/4 from the end, from the outside. Alright, so now our last step. Burn that on. that's going to pretty much wrap it up for today. Time-wise, there was a lot of stuff we did off camera that we didn't show you guys, drilling for the studs and everything. We had a bit snap that totally screwed our world up, blah, blah, blah. But anyway, so we got that one on there. We'll come back tomorrow, burn the other D-ring on, burn the other wheel mount, and this thing go out the door. Yeah. Yay. So, we'll be back tomorrow. Alright. Well, it's Thursday. Today, we're going to finish this trailer up. Hopefully, that's the idea. We still got to do a spare tire mount, a hook point on the passenger side. We'll weld that all in right quick. We just ran out of time yesterday, and we have to put a GPS tracker on this thing. That's actually kind of the simplest thing to do, but anyway. But I think it's going to be a good day. We get a welder, we got coffee, we got a welding rod. What can go wrong? Alright, here's the end result.
It's a Freckles road.
Yep, nice and solid. Got a tracker on it. Got another tire even. Yay. Dual tire trailer. Dual spares is a good idea. This here, one on the other side. Man, we didn't bother showing you this, but we put 4 new yoink hubcaps on there, oil bath hubcaps. We had new rubbers. So we had them, we just threw them on here. We'll see how they do.
What do you know about rubbers? So it's the end of the week. Now that he's done giggling his freaking brains out. Well, maybe not.
Leroy over here. Anyway, so let me see if we got this yellow trailer done. The black trailer, like I said earlier in the week, we got a Jeep done, but we couldn't really record that. Not to mention some of the wiring jobs we do, like, being under the dash and all that craziness. We really don't have a camera guy that can, run around and video this stuff. It's just the two of us idiots. And realistically, we suck as cameramen, so we just basically put the thing on the tripod ordeal and let it sit.
Yep.
Because we shake, we don't, oh shoot, that's not in frame, oops. If anything goes wrong, it's the bipod's fault.
So about rambling on in the videos.
About that. So, but anyway, so we got all that done.
2 spare tire mounts, 2 chain hooks,
Tracker.
GPS tracker on the yellow trailer,
And the hubs.
and some new hubcaps, the oil bath hubcaps. It'll be back eventually for other work, that
Seals mainly.
hub seals probably. The other trailer, chain pockets, pigtail rewire.
Yep. All in a day. All in a week, I should say.
Yeah, really.
So, yay.
And then a few toes in there for happy measure.
Yeah, there's one I wish I could show you guys, but I'm not going to do that to the owner. All I'm going to say, I can describe what it is, but like I said, I wish I could show you guys a picture, but for the customer's privacy, I'm not. It was a 57 Thunderbird. The only thing not original on this car was the tires and 2 mufflers.
And maybe the oil.
Yeah, maybe. Absolute cream puff. Beautiful car. It was a soft top, and they even had the hard top in their garage. But like I said, I'm not going to disclose any more information. All I can say is that thing was gorgeous. But anyways, so with that being said, I think we're just going to wrap the week up. I mean, tomorrow's Friday. Normally we do stuff on Friday, but
We don't know.
we don't know. Worst case
Might
scenario,
just be a day of relaxation.
whatever that is. I got to look that up.
It's where you sit in front of the computer and play war games.
Oh, or edit video.
Yeah, that.
Okay.
I'll probably end up at the grocery store.
Get some bacon.
Yeah. So, yeah, because I get to go pick my truck up, because now I get to do an AC compressor clutch on my truck. It's 10 years old. It's paid for. It doesn't really owe me anything. So, yeah, it'll come home and get an AC clutch and then go back and get recharged. Thanks, Leroy.
So anyway, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment for sure. We'd love to hear from you guys. We're actually, like I mentioned, we may have some big news coming up. We haven't heard yet, but as soon as we know something, we'll let you know. It's kind of a pretty cool thing. Notification bell. Give that thing a whack. Boom. It's right there. It's not that hard. Go ahead. Give it a ring. Go ahead. Just do it. But anyway, hopefully we'll be back next week with some more fab stuff. You guys think I need a turkey check on that?
We'll put these 15,000-pound D-rings on.
Hey!
It's over with.
What the chicken? Bonk fight!
All that time training to show up and then, oh, I'm supposed to bring a chicken? We're easily entertained.